Now, for anyone who wants a budget-friendly tablet that offers the best blend of processing power, performance, and display quality, the Apple iPad is my choice as the best budget tablet available in 2022. The Apple iPad is a surprisingly powerful tablet that's designed to be intuitive to use, and it offers ample processing power to handle just about every task you could reasonably expect at this price point, a vibrant LCD panel, and generous app support. While some might find the design somewhat outdated, you still get a thin, lightweight tablet that features Apple's signature sleek aluminum chassis. The 10.2-inch Retina display isn't the largest on this list, but it comes with a top-tier 2160 by 1620 resolution that produces a sharper, crisper, brighter image with more vibrant colors. I also like that it utilizes Apple's True Tone technology, which automatically adjusts the color temperature based on the lighting conditions to reduce eye strain over longer binge-watching marathons. Additionally, it comes with an integrated fingerprint scanner for secure logins and to safely access Apple Pay. It has 64 gigabytes of storage, 3 gigabytes of RAM, and an upgraded A13 Bionic processing chip that's fast, responsive, and can reliably perform most tasks, including some photo editing, gaming, and extensive multitasking better than the Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. The battery isn't class-leading, but it still offers a solid 10-hour runtime per charge, which should be enough to get you through the day. It also runs Apple's intuitive and secure iPad OS 15, and it offers multiple updates a year, a comprehensive app library to keep you entertained, a focus mode to limit your usage, easier multitasking, new split-screen functionality with other iOS devices, and more. The Apple iPad is the best overall budget tablet because of its respectable battery life, top-tier display, intuitive operating system, and more powerful processor than the other options on this list. This is an ideal option if you're looking to spend a bit more on a tablet that offers similar performance to premium tablets for a much more affordable price.